One of my subscribers is trying to create a polygon and turn off the edges, which you can do with the Reshape tool. The way that I tend to do it is to use the Polyline tool rather than the Polygon tool. So I'll create the shape that I want. At this point, I click and drag to create a polyline. Give me a nice curvy shape. If I make a mistake, just hit the backspace key. And there's my polyline. I'm going to give that a hatch. I want a nice soil hatch for that. My new soil hatch. And send it to the back so it goes behind all my other bits and pieces. So this is where the hide edges comes in, because I'd like to have this a very heavy line to show that it's solid ground. But I'd like to hide the line around here. So if I use this mode, hide edges mode, from my Reshape tool, I can click on one of these handles and it turns all of them off. So sometimes when I do clip surface, it does break that and I do have to click on each individual point. But if I wanted to, I could create a shape here. So I could create a shape. Let's add that together. Let's select my surface here. We're going to go clip surface and then delete the original shape. And that will give me a nice clean background just in case I've got see-through concrete. So that's the trick that I use, just so that I get a heavy line. I particularly use this on my elevations. So if you see the elevations that I've drawn, I use this technique to get a heavy line under the elevation, but also no line around this area. I hope you like that. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really does help other people to find my videos. If you like this, don't forget to become a subscriber and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I've posted a new video. Thanks for watching.